Here's how you can resolve Android Auto issues if it's not working. Follow these steps. Open your phone's settings by swiping up and tapping the settings icon at the bottom left. Scroll down and tap on Connected Devices. Scroll all the way to the bottom and select Android Auto. If you haven't already, tap on Connect a Vehicle to initiate the connection. If you've done that, move to the next step. Tap on Start Android Auto automatically. Ensure that the setting is switched to Default or Always so Android Auto connects automatically when you get in your car. Next, go back to the main settings screen, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Under Apps, select Android Auto, then tap Permissions. Make sure all necessary permissions are granted. If any are restricted, switch them to Allow while using the app. After adjusting permissions, tap Force Stop to close the app. Scroll down and select Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data to reset Android Auto's settings. Once done, restart your phone by holding the side button, or, if needed, hold the volume down and side buttons together, then select Restart. Lastly, consider checking for any available software updates. Following these steps should fix Android Auto and get it working again.